Hello again, welcome back to DigiFox Labs. I'm Mr. Fox. Today we're going to be talking about a potential BTC downtrend, potential BTC sell-off here. We're not exactly 100% bullish, but we are definitely looking at something that needs to be shared as well as spread across a potential downside. None of this is financial advice. We are not financial advisors. Everything said here is 100% our opinion, as well as serving as a diary for us navigating this blockchain space. So let's get right to it. As you can see here on the Bitcoin US dollar pair, we're using the Coinbase API here. If we look right here, we have what looks like to be a potential head and shoulders. We have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and it's almost perfectly straight across a line here. Now, if we do not hold this line right here, right, the potential downside is literally all the way down here to roughly around the $43,000 mark. At which point, if you are seeing this, you may want to put some buy orders right in that area right there. Now, is it going to happen? We don't know. We have to wait. And how I got this was really, I just look right here. I'll get this, move it, top of the head, all the way down to the neckline, and bring it back down, and that's how you measure it. Now, I know this isn't exactly the best straight line, but you're looking at roughly around a $43,000 to $42,000 Bitcoin coming up. As far as how far we go below that, or if at all, that remains to be seen. But if we look right here, right, scrolling down and move this out of the way. Okay, now if we look right here, we can honestly see that we are creating lower lows, right? So we got a peak one right there, peak one right there, peak right there, and then of course the head and shoulder pattern all right here, right? And so now if we come right here, right, we are looking at a potential, like we said, $43,000, and we're making lower highs. Now, when is this going to reverse? Well, the bulls have to show up now. Now, you have to remember, this is the month of December, off of a volatile month, right? And so now you have to think about this. What are we looking at in the blockchain space? What are you looking at on all indices, right? Everything that you invest in, right? Everyone's taking profits. The crypto space has financial institutions involved. They can bring up the price, they can bring down the price, and they have massive amounts of liquidity within the space, which was not seen in 2017. So keep this in mind. Definitely be watching this on the hourly, maybe even 30 minutes. As far as when it's going to break, we don't know. But we have right here on the 4 hour, and it's not looking very good right now. It's very worrisome. But you could definitely, see that we do have somewhat of a head and shoulders coming up. So with that said, happy days, happy trading, and make sure you cover your arses.